To make this paper airplane, you'll only need a single sheet of A4 paper or US letter paper, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. Either size works perfectly for this design, so use whichever one you have available. Try to use a clean, flat sheet of paper so all the folds stay neat and the airplane flies its best. Start by placing the paper vertically in front of you. Fold the top edge downward, but leave about 5 centimeters or roughly 2 inches of space at the bottom. The distance doesn't have to be exact, so don't worry about measuring it precisely. Once you're happy with the position, make a sharp crease and then unfold the paper. This crease will be used as a guide in the next few steps. If you're using A4 paper, fold the top edge down to the crease you just made, then unfold it again. If you're using 8.5 by 11-inch paper, first make a fold about 1.5 inches from the top, unfold it, and then fold down to that new crease before unfolding once more. After this point, the remaining steps are exactly the same for both paper sizes. Now fold the paper downward along the horizontal crease you created earlier. Press firmly to make a clean fold. Next, fold both top corners toward the center line, making sure they line up evenly. Once both corners reach the center, unfold them again. These diagonal creases will help guide the next folds. Now fold both outer edges inward toward the diagonal creases, leaving only a very small gap between them. This tiny gap is intentional and makes the next step much easier. Try to keep both sides as even and symmetrical as possible for the best flight performance. Next, fold both sections inward. Rotate the paper slightly, then gently open the small pocket that has formed. Flatten it carefully to create a new crease. Take your time with this step because it helps lock the shape of the airplane in place. Repeat the exact same process on the other side so both sides match perfectly. Now fold the entire airplane in half along the center line. As you do this, the front section should naturally swing forward. If it doesn't, simply push it forward gently with your fingers until it sits in the correct position. At this stage, your airplane should already be taking its final shape. It's now time to make the wings. Starting slightly above the nose, fold one side downward at a gentle angle so the fold passes through the center seam. Make the crease nice and sharp. Flip the airplane over and repeat the exact same fold on the other side. Try to match both wings as closely as possible because symmetrical wings will give you the smoothest and longest flights. And that's it. Your paper airplane is now complete. To fly it, give it a smooth, gentle, and level throw. There's no need to throw it very hard, as this design performs best with a controlled launch. If you notice the nose dipping downward during flight, simply bend the back edges of both wings upward just a little. This small adjustment adds stability and can help the airplane glide much farther. Now experiment with different launch angles and throwing speeds to see how the airplane performs. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so don't be afraid to fine-tune the wings until you get the flight you want. Thanks for watching and enjoy flying your new paper airplane.